Hey guys, you're gonna love this Hawaiian sausage recipe. Trust me, it's amazing. We start by chopping up our sausages. Grate a bit of garlic, little cumin, dash of salt, chili magic. Stir together. Dice up the bell pepper. One onion has been diced, ready to go. Then for these green onions, I just snap it. Remove the head. Take off the skin. Cut it into half and just using about a quarter for the sauce, and then the rest we're going to juice for our pineapple juice. Dice your pineapple to little chunks of cornstarch to the pineapple juice. Grate a bit of garlic. Give it a good stir. It's now time to cook. Add the onions. A bit of light soy sauce in there. And then our pineapple juice. Add the rest. Bell pepper in. So chili. Now this is magical. Simple and delicious. So here goes. Gonna have a bit of the pineapple and a bit of the sausage combined. It's so good. Wow. I'm gonna invite my mom to come and try it. You know how good it is. So, Mom, come and try it and tell them how good it is.
This is fantastic. Wow. Tasty. Sweet.
Sweet and it's spicy.
Very spicy.
Excellent balance of flavors. You have the sweet, you have the sour, you have the chili in there. Trust me, it's so
good. This is good.
good. I think she's gonna have that for lunch.
Yeah.
All right, guys, thank you for watching. You love this recipe and you must absolutely try it and send me some DM and tell me how good it was. Bye and thanks for watching.